Hey y'all, welcome to the second video in the Storyblok CLI series. I'm Daniel Mendoza, and in this video we will go over all of the authentication related commands within the CLI. The first and arguably most important thing, as you can't use this if you aren't logged in. Most importantly, if you don't even have an account. So if you are not signed up for Storyblok, you can do that straight in the command line. There's no need to go to your browser, search for Storyblok, find our sign up page, and then create an account that way. No, we don't got time for that. You already did all the hard work to find this video. We know. We're devs too. Command line is life. We need to make things as easy as possible. Alright, so let's create an account. First, let's get to the sign up page by typing the command sign up. And you can see now it's going to say it's taking us to the sign in page. And now you can see that you're redirected to the sign up page within your default browser. Man, how cool. Do I even need to go over the rest of the commands? This kind of shows how awesome the CLI is already, right? No, I'm just kidding. But like I promised, right, you do not have to go out and actually find this page. You just type in the command and it'll take you here. And you can go ahead and fill out this form yourself. You know your first name and last name and company name and all that. I don't. And I don't think I need to show you how to do that. So, moving on. Once you have an account, you can navigate back to your terminal and use your existing credentials to sign into Storyblok, giving you access to all of your spaces. Let's sign in by entering the command Storyblok login. You will then be prompted to log in using your email and password or a token. Know that the token option only applies if you have SSO enabled. Alright, so let's log in this example with my email. Alright. Please don't email me. Forget my email. Erase it from your mind. Okay, after entering your username and password or token, you'll be prompted to select the region that you want to work with or work in. Let's select Europe for this example, the default one. Go ahead, log in with email, and successfully logged in to the region Europe. Welcome, Daniel Mendoza at Storyblok.com. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Forget that email. But anyway, cue the fireworks and music. Okay. Now let's say that we have multiple spaces in multiple regions, and I forgot what region I was logged into. I can enter Storyblok user. Now I can see the user creds I am logged in with, along with the region that I'm currently logged into. See, so it says my name. It tells me the email that I'm currently logged in with, and then the region. I am in the EU region, so this is correct. Okay, now, after logging in, let's go ahead and move on to the most reasonable step, which is logging out. This video is on auth, so I'm sorry if the flow doesn't make much sense, but I gotta teach you about all of the commands surrounding auth within the CLI. Okay, so we can log out by typing Storyblok logout. Wow. Very obvious. And now we have successfully logged out. You can see that there's some great logging within the CLI itself, letting you know exactly what you are doing when running these commands. Okay, so just to recap, with the CLI, we went over how to navigate to the sign-in page, log into your Storyblok account, check your credentials and region, and then log out of your Storyblok accounts. So if you're following in the next videos, make sure that you log back in. But anyway, that's all of the auth-related commands within the CLI. Thanks for joining. If you are interested in learning the rest of the CLI's capabilities, check out the rest of the videos in this series. In the next video, we will be going over how to create a new Storyblok project all through the command line, so stay tuned. See you then.